Hello everyone. Today start with the next point, version control, like a file or directories. Look at this picture, file mentioned by the storage file. Next one, version control, also known as a source control, is the practice of tracking and managing changes to software code. मीन्स तुम्ही जे चेंजेस करणार आहात ते सॉफ्टवेअर कोडमध्ये तुम्ही वर्जन कंट्रोलचे चेंजेस करणार आहात. देन वर्जन कंट्रोल सिस्टीम आर सॉफ्टवेअर टूल्स दॅट हेल्प सॉफ्टवेअर टीम्स मॅनेज चेंजेस टू सोर्स कोड ओव्हर टाईम. देन नेक्स्ट वन, व्हॉट आर द 3 टाइप्स ऑफ अ वर्जन कंट्रोल? द various types of a version control system, then local version control system, centralized version control system, then distributed version control system. Local version control system. Next one, centralized version control. Look at this diagram. This is a server, then working coffee, working coffee, working coffee. This is a committed or update. Same way committed or update means तुम्ही वर्किंग कॉफी कडून तुम्ही कमिटेड करणार आहात रिपोजिटरीला, देन रिपोजिटरी अपडेट करणार आहे तुमच्या व्हॅल्यू. दिस इज अ वर्किंग कॉफी. वर्क स्टेशन और पीसी हॅश फर्स्ट. सेम वे वर्किंग कॉफी वर्क स्टेशन और पीसी हॅश सेकंड. देन नेक्स्ट वन, सेम वे working coffee workstation or PC hash 3. This is a all over process centralized version control. Next one, distributed version control. Distributed version control, same way this is a server repository, then repository, then push repository also pull, then repository also working coffee commit point and repository also sent by the updating value. This is a workstation PC hash 1. Same way, then push and pull. This is a repository, 2 repository processing push and pull. Then next repository, then last one working coffee. This is a committed point or updated value. This is a workstation PC hash second. Then repository, this is a push and pull value. Next one, repository working coffee. This is a committed point and updating value. This is a workstation or PC hash 3. This is all over working for a distributed version control. Then next one, a local version control system. Local computer, this is a checkout file, version databases, version 3, version 2nd and version 1st. This is a version 3 also connected with a file interaction between the version databases created by 3 databases. This is the interaction between the version 3 interaction between the version 2, then version 2 interaction between the version 1. This is all over working for the local computer, the local version control system. Next one, version control system are built on top of the file system and thus have many of the same limitation for data storage as a file system. They are not designed for the application data storage, so are to use in that context. However, they are worth considering than for scenarios where their timeline capabilities are useful. Next one, XML databases. XML databases is like a HTML. HTML, this is an extension of a .html. Then XML, this is a .xml. This is a created by the doc files. Next one, a XML database is a data persistence software system that allows data to be specified and sometimes stored in XML format. This data can be queried, then transformed, exported and written to a calling system. Then XML databases are a flavor of a document. Then oriented databases, which are the term a category of a NoSQL databases. There are 2 types of a XML databases, XML enabled databases than native XML databases. Next one, relational databases took on XML and blended these XML capabilities with relation ones, usually by embedding XML documents. XML main purpose of creating by the documents as a column type and following some way to blend SQL and XML query languages. Then of course there's so reason why you can use by the XML as a structure mechanism within a key value store. Means key value store करायचं वर्क कोण करणार आहे तर XML. Then XML is a less these days than JSON then but is equally capable of storing complex aggregate, and XML skills are greater than JSON. Then using an XML databases means that the database itself able to the advantages of the XML structure and not treat for the value blob but the advantages needs for the other databases characteristics. Then object databases. What is a object databases? An object databases is a database management system in which information is represented in the form of the object as used in object oriented programming. Means object databases मध्ये काय करावं लागणार तुम्हाला फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्म मध्ये तुम्हाला ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करावा लागणार आहे अँड ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्म मध्ये जे आहे ते तुम्ही ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग मध्ये यूज करू शकतात. देन ऑब्जेक्ट डेटाबेसेस आर डिफरंट फ्रॉम रिलेशन डेटाबेस. Then which are the table oriented object relational databases are a hybrid of both approaches. What are the object of a databases? Your exam you asking the question. The answer, some of the example of a databases object are view, sequence, indexes, etc. Then table, view, then sequences or index. Table, basic unit of storage. Then compose rows and column. Means table मध्ये आपण टूज कॅटेगरी बघितले आहे, rows and column. Then view logically represents subset of data from one or more tables. This is a creating by the view. Then sequences generates primary key value. This is a sequences main purpose. Then index improves the performance of some queries. This is a main purpose of a index. This is all over object of a databases created by the points table, view, sequences or index. Then next one, this is a diagram of a object oriented programming. This is a object oriented programming principle. Then additional features, relational databases features. This is a common two features also connected with the object oriented programming. Then inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, then integrity, then concurrency, then query processing. This is a object oriented programming language features or properties. Which features? Inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, integrity, then concurrency, query processing. हे सगळं मिळून आपण ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करतो. हे आपण BCS ला बघितलेलंच आहे. Next one, when object oriented programming started its rise up popularly, then there was the intent oriented databases. The focus here was the complexity of a mapping from the memory data structure to the relational table. Then the idea of object oriented databases is that avoid this complexity, the databases would automatically manage the storage of in-memory structure onto the disk. Then you could think persistent virtual memory system. This is a program with a persistence. Then without taking the notice of a database at all. Then key points. NoSQL is a just one set of data storage technology. Then as they increase comfort with polyglot persistence, then we should consider other data storage technology then bear the NoSQL label. Thank you students. Keep watch my video and lesson are completed.